Name any two things that forests provide to animals.
Forests provide to animals are shelter and food.
How do fins gills help a fish?
A fish uses fin force swimming and swims or for breathing.
Why do frogs need water?
Water. Frogs need water. Water for laying
Their eggs.
Their eggs. Terrestrial land animals living on land are called
Terrestrial.
animal. Examples are cow, cat, dog, horse, etc. Which animals live in water? Aquatic animal.
Are called
Aquatic.
aquatic. Aquatic animal.
Aquatic animal. Examples are fish, turtle, starfish, etc. Which animals live both in water on land and on land are called
Amphibians.
Amphibians animal. Are
Frogs.
turtle, starfish, crocodile, etc.